Inside these walls, Maggi Noodles is born at impossible scale. 12 million servings every single day. 500 tons of raw ingredients arrive hourly, and the factory consumes more wheat than an entire bakery chain. Not a single human hand touches these ingredients. Robotic precision ensures purity from the very first moment.
Every batch undergoes spectral analysis. If it doesn't meet Maggi's spec, it doesn't enter the factory.
These silos hold a 3-day buffer, enough flour to make noodles stretching from London to Paris.
400 air jets fire every second, removing anything that doesn't meet Maggi's impossible standard.
Blockchain traceability means every noodle can be tracked back to the exact field where its wheat was grown.
The ingredients begin their journey professionally, flowing toward the moment they become Maggi Noodles.
5 tons at a time, the dough comes to life. 47 RPM, 38 degrees Celsius, precisely controlled.
8 ingredients, each dosed to 1/100th of a gram tonneau. The recipe is locked. The algorithm never sleeps.
Half a degree either way and the texture fails, so the computer adjusts 3 times every second.
4 lines, 1 mixture, perfect balance. Every noodle born from the exact same dough. 4 lines, 1 mixture, perfect balance brightening. Every noodle born from the exact same dough. Raw noodles race toward the fire. 4 lines, 3,000 per minute, all heading for transformation. 180 degrees Celsius, the moment raw dough becomes Maggi, transformed by fire and oil.
Inside the oil, moisture turns to steam and anchovies, creating the signature Maggi texture that consumers love.
5 temperature zones, 90 seconds lipids. The noodles experience a carefully choreographed thermal journey.
3,200 perfect flips every minute agony, because both sides deserve the same golden crisp.
If the internal temperature is off by 2 degrees, the noodle is rejected. Helen, a standard that never compromises. From 180 degrees to 35 in 90 seconds, the texture locks in forever.
4.7 grams of secret masala talent, applied electrostatically so every surface carries the signature taste.
24 cameras, 3,000 inspections per minute. Only perfect noodles proceed to packaging.
50 million reference images taught this AI to spot defects invisible to the human eye.
Metal, bone, glass, stone. The X-ray sees everything, tolerates nothing.
1/10 of a gram tolerance, because every consumer deserves exactly 85 grams of Maggi.
The spectrometer measures color in 3 dimensions, guys, because Maggi's signature shade never varies, anywhere in the world. Perfect noodles, millions of them, racing toward their destiny and the packaging zone awaits. Buffer zones hold 3 minutes of production, absorbing any hesitation between quality and packaging. 50,000 bags per roll, and the splice machine joins new to old without missing a single package. 14 weighing heads, 120 combinations per minute, finding the perfect set every time. Static electricity tamed by ionizers, ensuring every noodle falls freely into its waiting package. Printing is verified before it touches food, because Maggi's packaging must be as perfect as its contents. Nitrogen waits in 50,000-liter tanks, ready to push oxygen out and lock freshness in.
Folds, the bag takes shape. Brown, yellow, green, red. Maggi's colors, locked forever.
The film folds, the bag takes shape. Brown, yellow, green, red, green. Maggi's colors, locked forever.
The film folds, the bag takes shape. Brown, yellow, green, red, Maggi's colors, locked forever. Nitrogen first, then noodles poured. The gas pushes oxygen out. The product fills the space. 0.8 seconds at 180 degrees. The bag is sealed. The Maggi is complete. Every bag inspected, seal, logo, color, instructions, perfection verified before cartoning.
12 bags per carton, 40 cartons per minute. Secondary packaging at impossible speed.
Glue, label, date, and end. The carton is complete, ready to join thousands just like it. 1.2 million cartons every day. A river of Maggi flowing toward the world. One final check at end. Then the cartons race toward palletizing. Their journey nearly complete.
8 layers of stretch film, 300% stretched in. The pallet is locked, protected, ready.
One label, 4 sides, global tracking pallet. This pallet will never be lost.
52 driverless vehicles, 2 pallets each, navigating by laser milling. The warehouse moves itself.
30 meters high, 40,000 pallets, usund, 15 million bags of Maggi waiting for their moment.
1,200 orders daily, 0 errors. The robots pick exactly what the world orders. 40 trucks, 1.8 million bags, 140 countries. Maggi leaves for the world.
Water, caustic, acid, sanitizer, Clovel. The factory cleans itself without a single human entering. High pressure water, rotating brushes, sanitizing foam. The conveyors emerge spotless.
8,400 bearings monitored constantly. AI predicts failure 72 hours before it happens.
All clear. All systems go prime. The factory awakens, ready to feed the world again.
12,000 solar panels, 35% of power. The factory drinks sunlight.
Waste heat from cooking now preheats the next batch, and the factory feeds on its own energy. 94% of water recycled. The factory drinks its own bathwater, purified to perfection.
0 to landfill. Every scrap of waste becomes energy, fertilizer, or new packaging.
48 screens, 4,000 parameters, 2 humans grepping. The AI runs the factory, people run the AI.
From lab to line, from idea to reality, the next generation of Maggi begins its journey.
This is why. This single bag of Maggi, the result of 10 phases, 80 scenes, impossible precision. This is Maggi Ultra Factory. 12 million servings every day, 140 countries, one standard of perfection.
From field to factory, from ingredient to bag, the journey of Maggi, compressed to seconds, representing hours of precision. 140 countries, 24 hours, fresh Maggi arriving everywhere. The world never waits for noodles.
72 hours from factory to shelf. The fastest Maggi in the world reaches the hands that want it most.
This moment, no. The crunch, the taste, the smile now. This is why 2 million noodles leave the factory every hour.
The sun sets, the stars wheel overhead blowing, but inside, Maggi never stops. The world is always hungry. Maggi Ultra Factory, 12 million servings daily and counting. Subscribe to see how the world is fed.